All right, welcome to the next part here. I'm looking at this thing, and they don't look like they would in any way or possible scenario touch each other, or not touch each other, but fit together in any way. So what I see here is, and I'm trying to figure this out for the first time, I guess you can just pop that off like this, and in here there is space for that, maybe. I don't know. Nope. It might be this way. But then why would you do that? It's very strange looking, guys. Because if you look at this, right? This looks exactly like it would be that bit that goes here. Some kind of
Likey.